Hey guys, Asher from Xiaomi set to launch new CC9 Pro in China on November 5. Xiaomi has been tipped many information about the smartphone over a few days, especially the 108MP camera. Even they teased the quality of 108MP camera by videos. Anyway, thanks to Xiaomi. There are many misconceptions about Mi CC9 Pro rebranding to Mi Note 10, but I think it's just a rumor. As we all know, Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro powered by Snapdragon 730G, which is an upper mid-range processor and built on the same architecture with an 8nm processor like the Snapdragon 855. But there will be a chance to add a flagship chip for a higher version of Mi Note 10 series. Anyway, we can wait and see. So Mi CC9 Pro has a lot of new hardware including penta camera system, which is only seen in Nokia 9 PureView. According to the latest teasers, also hints that Xiaomi include a large sound chamber that will result in better sound. Also got high resolution audio certification. Upcoming Xiaomi CC9 Pro comes with a new slightly curved display design with hyperbolic waterproof 6.47-inch AMOLED display with Full HD plus resolution. As per Xiaomi, CC9 Pro can charge fully within 65 minutes because of 30-volt fast charging, which includes a massive 5260 mAh battery. This phone going to be a new level up for smartphone industries. Anyway, we'll see more 108MP camera smartphones in the future. The next update is from Mi Note 10 series, many of them considered as the overseas version of the Xiaomi CC9 Pro. According to some reports, there will be two variants in Mi Note 10 series. One is normal Mi Note 10 and the another one is Mi Note 10 Pro. I think Mi Note 10 considered as CC9 Pro and Mi Note 10 Pro is a flagship smartphone. So Mi Note 10 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 855 plus chip, unofficially confirmed. Let me know your thought about the Mi CC9 Pro in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Xiaomi, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'm Ashkar from #.